You thought your projects was big. These are some of the biggest public housing projects in America. I start you off with Queensbridge Housing, New York Housing Authority, located in Long Island City, Queens, North America's largest housing project. The development contains 96 buildings and 3,142 apartments accommodating approximately 7,000 people in two separate complexes, north and south. Queensbridge was the childhood home of notable rappers like Black Poet, Mobb Deep, Marley Marl, Roxanne Shante, and Nas, as well as NBA legend Ron Artest. Next, we leave New York City and head to Chicago, to another one of the biggest projects in America with Altgeld Gardens/Philip Murray Homes. Altgeld Gardens and Philip Murray Homes is a Chicago Housing Authority public housing project on the far south side of Chicago which borders Riverdale, Illinois. Altgeld Murray features 1,971 studio, 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom homes. Altgeld Murray is two projects in one, with Altgeld Gardens being built in 1945 and Philip Murray Home being built in 1954. Altgeld Gardens is a 99% minority public housing community hosting 8,000 residents with 90% of which are black. Next, we head to Los Angeles to Nickerson Gardens, another one of the largest public housing projects in America. Nickerson Gardens is a 1,066-unit public housing apartment complex in Watts, Los Angeles, California. Nickerson Gardens is a part of the Housing Authority of Los Angeles and consists of 156 buildings with 1,066 townhouse-style units. Nickerson Gardens is the largest public housing development west of the Mississippi River. Nickerson Gardens first opened for occupancy in March 1954, although construction was still underway and fully opened in 1955. Next, we leave California and head to Boston to Bunker Hill Housing Projects. These housing projects are different because depending on when you see this video, you may see another development. Bunker Hill is an 1,100-unit public housing project but is underway on a $1.5 billion redevelopment. The planned redevelopment includes the demolition of the existing structures and the construction of a mixed-use development of up to 2,699 residential units and 15 new buildings. Next, we leave Boston and head to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania to Wilson Park, located in South Philadelphia. High-rise apartment buildings and low-rise homes make up the development. Wilson Park is a 727-unit public housing complex that offers 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments. Wilson Park is a part of the Philadelphia Housing Authority.